Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and if you're thinking about planning a beach vacation in Brazil in 2023, you've come to the right place. I'm your virtual travel vlogger, and today I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of the most popular beaches in Brazil and how to plan the ultimate beach getaway. Before we start, make sure to click like and write a comment. Let's get started. I'm going to help you plan an unforgettable beach vacation in Brazil in 2023. From the stunning beaches of Rio de Janeiro to the stunning beaches of Florianópolis, Brazil has something for everyone. First, before you plan your vacation, be sure to research and have realistic expectations. Before you start planning, take a look at some of the incredible beaches in Brazil that you can visit. In Rio de Janeiro, Ipanema and Copacabana beaches are considered the most electrifying beaches in all of Brazil. Both feature stunning, golden sand beaches with spectacular views of the city. Many beaches are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, beach sports, and even nightlife, depending on the beach. But if you're looking for a little something extra, near Copacabana you can find a beautiful freshwater lagoon surrounded by sand and palm trees. In Florianópolis, the most popular beach there is Praia do Joaquina. This beach is great for all kinds of beach activities, including surfing, boogie boarding, and snorkeling. If you're looking for something more laid back and less of the party crowd, try Praia Brava Beach. Brava is great for beautiful views and peaceful beach walks. Now that you know some of your options, it's time to start planning. Start to think about budget, what type of accommodation you'll need, and the type of activities you'd like to do. After you make a plan, book flights and accommodation. Many of the hotels in Brazil will offer special beach packages.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.